into project management courses where I help people who want to start from scratch to get into project management, to get into business analysis, to get into software testing, to get into digital marketing and Scrum mastering. So that's my niche. This is making money online. It's part of digital marketing. That's my niche. So I have communities for each one of my niches where I teach people how to change from being a nurse into being a project manager. Here I teach people how to change from being a nurse to a digital CEO. Develop your own products or take products like Digital Boss Academy, Royal Business Academy, Legacy Builder Program, and build your digital empire. It's so easy.